Hello everyone, this is going to be a very quick video on the tip for data evaluation in how to auto-track formula-driven cells. So as you see that I've already made a video on how to do that, and basically you just leverage the function in Excel 2013, which is the is formula, and it is really helpful for this kind of purpose. But recently I've come across with a new problem because I was trying to do something similar for a client, and somehow in the machine for my client, they only have Excel 2010, which means that they do not have the function of is formula. And I was thinking, okay, how do I work around this without that function? How can I still validate data that's formula driven in Excel 2010? And this is what I'm showing you today. So this is still the data set, and let's validate the merit increase percent column. So in this column, you can see usually usually the values are formula driven, as you can see here. But then let's say if I manually override something here. And if you just look at the data, you wouldn't know, right? And then you want to be able to identify which ones are in a large data set, which values are formula driven, which values are just hard code. And in Excel 2010 version, this is how you do it. So first you select the data set that you want to validate, and then you go to find, select, go to formula. And here we go. So basically every cell that is formula driven are highlighted, and the ones that's not are not. So in this way, when it's highlighted, you can just format it to something else. So let's say we just highlight it, and then now we can let go the mouse, and then let's say we just filter. And then let's say we just filter for the cells that's not formula driven, and then we can do basically whatever kind of conditional format that we want. And then in this case, if we say, you know what, like we only want those to be highlighted, we don't want the other ones to be highlighted in yellow, and that's fine. And then basically just select all the rest and then just clear the format, and then here we go. So you can basically track all the values that's hard-coded. Okay, so that is everything that I want to share with you today, and I hope that you find it helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you like it. If you have any question, please leave me a comment, and I will talk to you very soon.